find the previous day's temperature. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, we're going to kind of look at one of the things that we've gone through in our Leetcode challenges during our live streams. So we're spending a little bit more time on SQL because I'm needing to refresh myself and stay sharp with my SQL abilities. So we've been spending a lot of time doing more SQL challenges, and I thought this is a perfect example of one to solve. So we were doing this live stream, and I had a solution that was working. It was very arduous, and it had multiple subqueries, and it was getting the job done. So can't verbalize that enough. Get it done, get it working, then optimize it. Don't get stuck trying to optimize it while you're building it. You're gonna lose your mind. So in chat, one of the viewers suggested, why don't we do a join and an interval? And I thought this was very brilliant, so I was going to highlight it. So if you're just learning data and learning joins has an interesting feature to it, and it goes into the anatomy of how the joins work. So you can join a table in and onto itself and use it as a filter. So it has the ability to bring in more information, all along with also filtering out information that you do not need, because built-in join, the standard join is an inner join, a Venn diagram join. So what we did is we took the table, added an extra column, then took that result table, joined it back to itself, and used that as its own filter, and then did a comparison to find the previous day's temperature, and if it was lower than the current day's temperature, we output that ID. So these are the type of things that we are doing during our live streams. So if you're interested in data, you're interested in SQL, you're interested in Python, this is the place for you. We hyper focus on beginners because we were all beginners once. And there's a Discord server and then down in the description below. So please make sure you're joining that and getting all the help that you need and deserve on your journey, because I still remember what it was like. I still feel like I'm a beginner in so many instances because I'm constantly trying and learning something new. So if you have any comments, questions, video requests, make sure you're dropping in the comment down below or over on the Discord server. And as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.